Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, cloth seat trim. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.